Hello students, we are doing a chapter number 1 of class 10, that is chemical reactions and equations. And we were doing types of chemical reaction, in which we have done what is a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, that is single displacement reaction. And today our topic is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. So as the name suggests, in this there would be double displacement. Okay, so in this, in a compound, ions will exchange in in two compounds. Let me write it in numerical way. Okay, in two compounds, we have two compounds in which ions will exchange to form new products. Okay, so in this there is exchange of the ions. Fine. That means the cation and an ions will switch. Okay, so they will switch. For example, firstly, if I say I have AB general plus CD. Okay, there is a compound with elements A and B, and here another compound with elements C and D, such that when they react, they will switch. Fine. That is, A will now form a bond. We have a compound AD and this as BD. Fine. So this is our general equation for double decomposition reaction. That is, D and B would displace each other, and A and D, B and it is C and B. Fine. A, D, C, B. This is our general reaction. Fine. तो क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे B को D ने डिस्प्लेस कर लिया, ठीक है, तो A D हो गया, C B हो गया. So this is our general reaction. Now, in double displacement reaction, we again can separate it into different categories. One is our neutralization reactions. And other is our precipitation reaction. Fine. PPT, precipitation. So, as the name suggests, one, in this we'll have neutralization, and we'll do this in the next chapter also. That what is neutralization? Neutralization is when an acid reacts with base to give water and salt. Fine. And precipitation, this we have done in our video, that is the characteristics of the chemical reaction, that how we come to know that a chemical reaction has taken place. There we did 5 things: evolution of gas and change of temperature. So one of its part was formation of precipitation. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा 2 पार्ट्स हो गए. One is our neutralization and other is our precipitation reaction. Fine. So इसको हम डिटेल में देखते हैं कि न्यूट्रलाइजेशन में क्या क्या कौन कौन से रिएक्शंस हो सकते हैं. So very first, under the neutralization, is any acid and base we can react. For example, HCl react with NaOH. Fine. It will form. Now, switch the ions. Fine. That means Cl will take place, will displace the OH and OH will displace Cl. तो क्या बन जाएगा मेरे पास NaCl plus H2O. Fine. H and OH. दो H एक O, water. Fine. So this is a neutralization reaction, and you can see that this has happened here. ठीक है? दोनों जो हमारे anions है, उन्होंने एक दूसरे को displace किया. Fine. In the similar way, I can take the example of metal oxide or non-metal oxide. ठीक है? For example, we have done this that metal oxides these are basic in nature, and non-metal oxide are acidic in nature. Fine. So if I take a non-metal oxide, maybe carbon dioxide, fine, and if I react with, this is acid, so I react with the base CaOH twice. Fine. So what I will get? I will get calcium carbonate plus water. Okay. So this is what I get here, and it is a balanced equation. You can check that one calcium, one carbon, and in totality there are 4 oxygens. So 2 oxygen here and 2 oxygen here. 3 plus 1, 4 oxygens, 2 hydrogen. So this is a balanced equation, and you will check. This is acid, this is base, this is salt, and this is water. In the similar way, this is acid, this is base, this is our salt, and this is our water. Fine. So here also there is a neutralization process. Fine. तो ऐसा ही ये हमारा एक न्यूट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस है, बट अगर मैं इस वे में देखना चाहूँ तो कोई भी एसिड और बेस को अगर मैं रिएक्ट करवाऊँ तो उसको हम इस वे में देख सकते हैं, प्रॉपर एसिड एंड बेस को. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेक H2SO4 with KOH, then what I will get, look here, कि मेरे पास यहाँ पे आ जाएगा K2SO4 plus H2O. ठीक है? So this SO4, this is here, ठीक है? तो मेरे पास क्या हो गया, ये ऐसे डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन आ गया. फाइन. Now the other type is our precipitation reaction. Most important in these double displacement reaction, precipitation. And again, precipitation means कि precipitate बनेंगे. That means a precipitate are what? These are insoluble substances. कि मेरे पास suppose I have barium chloride and sodium sulfate. ठीक है? So I have this barium chloride with sodium sulfate. So this is a colorless liquid. This is again a colorless liquid. But when I add these two, what I get here, double displacement will take place. Sodium chloride plus barium sulfate will form. Okay, if I balance this, I need to add 2 here, 2 chlorine, 2 sodium, otherwise it is balanced, 1 barium and 1 sulfate. Fine. So obviously we know that this is white in color, sodium chloride, the common salt we eat, and it is insoluble in barium sulfate. that means white PPT, and this we have done that we denote PPT by a downward arrow. Okay, so हमारे पास क्या बन गया, एक white precipitation बन गया, एक insoluble substance बन गया. मेरे पास थे क्या, I have two colorless solution. मैंने जैसे जैसे मैं ऐड करता जा रहा हूँ, what I observe कि उसमें व्हाइट कलर का एक प्रेसिपिटेट व्हाइट कलर का होता जा रहा है वो, ठीक है. दो कलरलेस सॉल्यूशन को ऐड करने से जो सॉल्यूशन बन रहा है वो व्हाइटिश हो रहा है. एंड किसके कारण व्हाइटिश हो रहा है, मिल्की हो रहा है वो, ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. ओके, इन द सिमिलर वे वन, दिस इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन, फाइन, in double displacement reaction, in precipitation reaction. And the other one, this we have done, that if the lead nitrate will react with potassium iodide, and what will get, double displacement will take place. So I'll get potassium nitrate plus lead iodide. Okay, so ये मेरे पास बन गया double displacement reaction. Again in this there will be formation of yellow PPTs of this lead nitrate. ठीक है, तो ये मेरे पास क्या हो गया कि एक येलो PPTs बन गए इस lead nitrate के. You can easily check कि यहाँ पे डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुई है, that I and NO3 has displaced, और बाकी तो जो हमारे नाइट्रेट we know has negative, NO3 negative, potassium is positive, that's why it is KNO3, and Pb2 positive, I negative, so it will form lead iodide. Okay, PbI2. So this is again a reaction which is double displacement and forms a yellow colored PPT. Okay, now the next one is if I react copper sulfate with hydrogen sulfide, then what I get, double displacement, I'll get H2SO4 plus Cu, 2 positive 2 negative, CuS, copper sulfate. Okay, now this copper sulfide is black in color. This is black in color. So again a double displacement reaction, that H2SO4 copper sulfide. Fine. तो ये copper, ये जो मेरे पास CuS बना, this is black in color. Hence again precipitation. Okay. So these are some reaction under the double displacement. Fine. You can have other displacement reactions also, other double displacement reaction also. So, but these three, I think, are most important. Fine. Other are, for example, if I say barium chloride react with copper sulfate, I write to this also. If I have barium chloride react with copper sulfate, then we'll get copper chloride plus barium sulfate. Okay, so this is again a precipitation reaction in which a white color precipitate of copper chloride will form. Fine. So ये मेरे पास क्या हो गया, white PPT बन जाएंगे. Okay, so this is all for our this video, double displacement reaction, and I have made the notes for this chapter, for which you will get a link in the description below. Okay, and if you have not seen the other videos, do see the playlist. I have made all the videos up to this, and other videos will also you will find. Right, and if you like this, do like, share and comment. Thank you.